Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good morning, dear students. Welcome to my virtual class brought to you by Zulanpur Online School and Dautandi Online School. Here speaker is Meher Nigar, Assistant Teacher English, Zulanpur High School. Today I am dealing with English first paper for class 8, and today's my topic is the first unit and the first lesson, that is our folk songs. Actually, today's lesson is very interesting and as well as very informative, and I think you will enjoy these topics because through these topics we will familiar with our culture. At first, I would like to tell you that I would read the whole passage thoroughly so that you can easily catch the pronunciation with Bangla meaning, and you will able to know the new keywords, that is vocabulary. Then we will discuss some probable questions from the passage. So let's start our reading. Folk songs are songs sung in the traditional style of the community or country. Folk songs means the meaning of folk songs is লোকসঙ্গীত. লোকসঙ্গীত হচ্ছে সেই ধরনের গান যেটা কোনো দেশ, কোনো সম্প্রদায় বা দেশের প্রচলিত রীতিতে গাওয়া হয়ে থাকে. Here the traditional style includes the theme, words and tunes of the songs that have existed for a long time among the common people. দেশের এখানে প্রচলিত ধারার মধ্যে থাকে সঙ্গীতগুলোর বিষয়বস্তু সুর বা সাধারণ মানুষের মধ্যে যেগুলো দীর্ঘদিন যাবত চলে আসছে. We have a rich history and collection of folk songs in Bangladesh. আমাদের বাংলাদেশের লোকসঙ্গীতের একটা সমৃদ্ধ ইতিহাস এবং একটা সম্ভার রয়েছে. Of them, Polligiti, Bhatiali, Bhawaiya, Jari, Shari, Gambhira, Lalongiti, Palagan and songs of Hasan Raja are very popular. এগুলোর মধ্যে হচ্ছে তোমার পল্লীগীতি, ভাটিয়ালি, ভাওয়াইয়া, জারি, শাড়ি, গম্ভীরা, লালনগীতি, পালাগান এবং হাসান রাজার গানগুলা অনেক বেশি জনপ্রিয়. The traditional musical instruments are usually played with these songs. The traditional musical instruments, ঐতিহ্যগত গানের যে যন্ত্রপাতিগুলো আছে, আর usually played, এগুলো বাজানো হয় with these songs, এই সমস্ত গানের সাথে. Here the word that is play means বাজানো. Okay, so dear student, this is the whole passage and I have already analyzing the passage with Bangla meaning. So from this passage we have found so many keywords. I have already written in my whiteboard. So look at my whiteboard. The first one is style. The first one is style and the probable synonym is manner or mode. The second word is community. Community means সম্প্রদায়. Community means সম্প্রদায়. Then the third word traditional. Traditional অর্থ হচ্ছে, the meaning of the word traditional is ঐতিহ্যগত. ঐতিহ্যগত. Include. Include অর্থ হচ্ছে অন্তর্ভুক্ত. অন্তর্ভুক্ত. সরি, অন্তর্ভুক্ত. পপুলার. পপুলার অর্থ হচ্ছে জনপ্রিয়. So dear students, these are the new keywords from this passage and you have to know the meaning of this word. So then I have written some questions from the passage which is text related. The first question is like that: how will you define folk songs? How will you define folk songs? তুমি লোকসঙ্গীতটাকে কিভাবে সংজ্ঞায়িত করতে চাও? So I have also written the answers with the help of the text. That is, folk songs are songs sung in the traditional style of a community or country. লোকসঙ্গীত হচ্ছে ওই সমস্ত গান যেটা তোমার ঐতিহ্যগত উপায়ে অথবা একটা দেশ বা সম্প্রদায়ের ঐতিহ্যগত উপায়ে যেটা গাওয়া হয়. Now come to the second question which I have written by whiteboard. Which things are included in the traditional style? কোন জিনিসগুলা এই ঐতিহ্যগত ধরনের মধ্যে তোমার অন্তর্ভুক্ত আছে। সো from the passage we have found the answers of this question. So the answer will like that: in traditional style, themes, words and tunes of the songs are included. এই ট্রেডিশনাল স্টাইলের মধ্যে কি কি থাকবে? থিমস থাকবে, ওয়ার্ড থাকবে, কথা থাকবে, টিউনস অফ দ্য সংস গানের সুরগুলা থাকবে। এই সমস্ত জিনিসগুলাই তোমার ট্রেডিশনাল স্টাইলের মধ্যে অন্তর্ভুক্ত হবে। So I have written the answer of the two questions. Then I have written another two questions without the answer. So that is your homework. So the question is that what are some popular folk songs of our country? যে আমাদের দেশে আমাদের দেশে লোকসঙ্গীতের কোন গানগুলো খুব বেশি জনপ্রিয়। So the answer you will find the answer from the related passage. Another question I have also written: why are the traditional musical instruments usually played with the folk songs? Why are the traditional musical instruments? কেন তোমার ঐতিহ্যগত ঐতিহ্যগত যে সঙ্গীতের সাথে যন্ত্রপাতি যেগুলো আছে ইউজুয়ালি প্লেড যেগুলো বাজানো হয় উইথ ফোক সংস লোকসঙ্গীতের সাথে। সো আই হোপ you will find the answer from the related text. So dear students, these are the probable questions that you have to answer. So I would like to say that you have to answer from the you have to answer 7 marks from the MCQ from the passage, and you have to answer 4 questions from the scene passage, that is 8 marks. So total 15 marks you have to answer from the scene passage, that is the passage which are included in your textbook. I have tried my best to make the passage very easy, that means very easy way. So I hope all of you will practice this passage with vocabulary or MCQ or the probable questions again and again. So thank you very much for connecting with me. Thank you.